Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Voxpopme, a tool that claims to automatically capture and analyze customer feedback with video surveys. So you're gonna use the tool to get your customer feedbacks, testimonials as well, and also to run video surveys. Those video surveys theoretically will lead to more engagement, and also you can create showreels. That's the kind of an editor feature where you can show many feedbacks at the same time. It's a pretty good tool, and I think it's established tech with many features to get the testimonials, and I think also a good deal. You are gonna get all their team plan with tier 1 and all of their pro plan with tier 2, which are real plans and really expensive if you want to pay monthly. The tool will get all the features, and the limits will be the number of users, video service completes per month, 50 or 125, which I think it's a lot, up to 10 long format upload hours per month, and up to 25 long format uploads hours per month with tier 2. Only the automated showreels will show on tier 2. So I think the deal here, the better one, is the license tier 2. It's not expensive. It's $169, and you're gonna get their best feature. You can see that they have also Zoom integration as well. Let's take a look at the tool. So here you can see the dashboard. They have many templates, concept text templates. I'm gonna read some of their templates, then you can understand better the use case. Find out if text descriptions of your concepts captivate or confuse target customers. You have a template for that. You have a template to get video testimonial with future customers with shareable video testimonial from your happy customers. You have also creative testing video adverts. Increase the effectiveness of your video adverts with immediate viewer reactions. So you can advertise your video with immediate reactions. Find out if your concepts will sync or swim by sharing image with your target audience. Many concept testing as well. Audio adverts. Build engaging audio adverts by getting emotional reactions from targets. Okay, really interesting use case. You can import video, import any video to get to Voxpopme, insights, automated transcriptions, and analysis. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Here is the dashboard where you can see all the features. You can invite team members here with their name and email, pretty simple. You have a tab for the show reels where you're gonna create a video with many different customer feedback, for instance. You can see all your projects in the dashboard with the whole features. Let's take a look at one of the projects.
And whatever, but it's also not.
You can see all your customer feedback here. So it's a project about sustainable products and packaging. Okay, I can see using it as a feature also for LMS. I'm definitely going to buy the tier 2 of that one. So you can see all the customers' feedback here. You're gonna check the words, unique theme based on your response here. If positive, neutral, the sentence sentiment, the word crowd, the words that they use to answer the questions you made to get your customer feedback. Also data by gender and age you can get here. It's a really good tech. You should buy it. Those are the insights. You can see a response per response. I think you understand. You are asking about sustainable products and packaging, and here are all your customer response.
Yes.
All the response are here. You can change the theme, create a custom theme for your project. Those are all the data that you're gonna get: the sentiment, data charts, word clouds, map, and project details. So you can see a whole project here. You ask something to your customers, you're gonna get you got those response, and then you can see all the data, and also show up and embed the response of or your customer's response as well. And you can create also a show reel to show your customer's response. When you want to create a new project, the tool will offer you the templates. The classic view, you can select, choose what you want to do. So if you want to ask questions to a group, if you want to test a piece of creative, if you want to test multiple creatives, if you want to test a single concept, multiple concepts, or if you want to import a video to get data. Let's say that I want to ask a question to a group. You need to add a few words to outline your project, to know why AppSumo is a success, it's a market success. And select if you're going to share externally or not your project, and when you want to start it. You can get response from their audience. Voxpopme has an audience, so United States, United Kingdom, or Australia, or use your own share link. For the sake of that review, we're gonna get our survey link. You can use the Voxpopme audience or your own audience. If I complete, redirect to some optional features here. You can select how many people should respond. And you can also, select it by gender, age, number of children, and qualify or disqualify. There are all features to, specify which kind of audience you want. You can upload any stimulus before your questions to do your research. That would be your videos, image. You can add text-based questions before the video, like that, pretty simple. And then you can ask your questions. Why do you think AppSumo is a market success? The tool invites you to add the stimulus. That would be an image or an external link, and then you're good to go. When you finish, you are ready to launch your project, and then you can find it on projects. So this is a new project, so you're gonna share the link with your audience, and they will be able to answer why AppSumo is a success. When you share your survey link, your customer will see that website here. So thank you for taking the time to respond to our brief video survey. We are interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions on an important topic, and we'll be asking you to record a 36 seconds video response to one question. Your feedback will inform and help shape the products and service provided by the world's largest brands. This survey is being conducted for public display purpose, and so your video may be used for objectives such as marketing material, social media, or conference presentations. Are you willing to continue? Yes, I'm willing to provide my feedback. Or no. So yes. How often do you buy that product or service? Once a week or more? Next. We would like you to review the image below before you answer some questions for us. And then the review will go on. The tool will show you some tips to record the video. And then why do you think AppSumo is a market success? The person will be able to select their video and audio, will record the audio, and after that, the video response will show up on your project. I think the tool is pretty good. It's really, really real tech. I can think about a lot of use case. It's good for e-learning, a really good tool for e-learning with many outstanding features. I'm planning to buy it. I'll try to buy it. I think it will add value to my toolbox. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description. Then you're gonna get the best price to Voxpopme, and you help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.